Hi, my name is Kim. I'm working here at Avon as an Advanced Support Center Analyst, and I've been working here since 2022. I'm from Denmark, my wife she's from Latvia, and together we decided that we wanted to move abroad. At the same time, I wanted to change my careers, and I was looking into the IT and tech sector. So you could say it was the perfect storm. I applied, I got the job, and it's been great ever since. In the service desk, we have a critical role in helping people with their technical needs. We act as a single point of contact for the customer. That means they call into us or send a ticket, and we help to resolve the ticket first time. If we need help from a specialized team, we have the opportunity to assign it and get help from them. Our team is consisting of 8 to 10 people and actively looking for more. And as a team, it's important that we cooperate on a daily basis. It can be help with tickets, it can be help with calls and knowledge sharing internally. After work, we also sometimes get together. We go bowling, we go paddleboarding, and also meet up for beer. A service center analyst should have a natural instinct for problem solving. They should also have the ability to learn new skills, software, and be able to communicate well within the team and with the customer. We are a fairly new service desk for a big Danish client. That means we're building the databases, we're meeting the requirements set to us from the customer and following the correct processes. I'm also part of the team that is onboarding new people to the team. It's a challenging job, but it's very rewarding and motivating because there's always new stuff to learn. If you're interested in IT, Service Desk is the right place to start. You can learn about other IT services, and from there you can choose the next steps in your IT career.